came, I got them from I come with a horse and a cowboy hat, but I left at Grandpa Clark's.
What?
I thought I lost it, but I didn't.
Yeah.
That one was blowing in the air.
Colt, do you lose your shoes a lot?
Yeah, I lost my baby shoe, but one baby shoe was in my drawer.
But you just lost the other one, so you still have one?
I usually have 100.
100? What did you do with 100 baby shoes? Do you have 100 feet like a centipede?
No. I just had 2 feet, and I'll wear different ones every single day.
For 100 days?
It's hot. It's really hot on my forehead now.
Yeah, you gotta back up.
I am.
Colt, do you love burning trash with me? Okay, Colt, look out. It's getting hot.
Getting hotter?
Mm-hmm.
I think I have to make another one. I'm making more. There you go.
Whoa, watch this.
Whoa! That looks like flames.
It is flames, I think. Hey, yours are like mine.
Yeah.
We got the same shoes, kind of.
Yeah, but we got the same boots. I have some like those, huh?
Yeah, you got 2 pairs, don't you?
Yep, 2 pairs. I got 2 pairs. Oh no.
Whoa.
Why can't we get any more sprays?
That's a little bit dangerous to do.
Only grown-ups can do it?
Yeah, and just when the fire is small.
Byron,
Yeah.
there was a girl that set a fire on herself, but she burnt her.
Oh, did she get hurt?
Yeah, but she went to the doctor's and she played with the toys.
Did she get all taken care of by the doctor? That's good.
And sometimes I lick my jacket.
Oh, Colt, don't let your gun melt.
Huh?
Don't let your gun melt.
Why?
Because the fire might melt it.
Since it's pointing that way,
Mm-hmm.
so I'll let point that way.
Yeah, that way it'll be nice and safe. Oh, look. The fire's melting some of the snow.
The fire's melting the snow.
Some of it, yeah.
So we don't have to walk all the way to Thunder's grandma's house.
Is that Thunder's grandma?
Yeah. Thunder moved in, but he used to go to nursery with me.
Really? Is he a nice guy? Is he like Boston?
Yeah, but he was my old friend when I was a little boy, like 2 and he was 2.
Uh-huh.
And Stetson, and we went to nursery with each other, and guess what? India and Reagan did when they're in nursery. They
What?
spanked their teacher's butt.
What? They can't do that. That's bad.
They really did.
Really?
Yeah, but nobody came, no cops.
They get in trouble?
Yeah,
Oh, they shouldn't do that to the teacher.
I never do that to my teacher
Good job. High five for that.
since I'm a big boy.
Yeah, so how long have you been a big boy? Because you were 2 and you're a small boy with Thunder.
Now I was 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Then I'll turn 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, then 10. I'll go past Presley.
Probably. How old's Presley again?
9.
So when you get 10, you'll be past Presley.
Yeah, but Presley might be 10 since she's 9 and 9, that's 4.
Well, maybe not. Maybe you'll catch up to her and pass her, and you'll be like 13 and she'll be 11.
No, she'll be 10 and I'll be 13.
Like Reagan?
Yeah.
Like a teenager?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, that'd be crazy, Colt.
But I'll be my dad's size bigger than Presley.
Probably by the time you're 13, huh? You'll be this tall.
Why can't I put snow in there?
Because then it'll go out. We don't want to do that.
When it's done, I'll put snow in there.
Yeah, we could.
Because then put my feet right here to kick it in there. But I'm doing like you did. I'm just falling different ways. With my gun. Whoa. My gun's helping me. My gun's helping me. Whoa. You need to go.